Good morning, students. Now, next problem. 12th one. 12th one. In the adjacent figure, ABC is the triangle in which angle B is equal to 50 degrees and angle C is equal to 70 degrees. Sides AB and AC are produced. AB and AC are produced. If Z is the measure of the angle between the bisectors of the exterior angles, so formed, then find Z. Find Z. First, I will draw the diagram. See, students. A, B, C. Okay, bisectors. This is O. This is Z. X, X. Next, Y, Y. This angle is equal to 70 degrees. This angle is equal to 50 degrees. Dear friends, in the adjacent figure, ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle in which angle B is equal to 50 degrees and angle C is equal to 70 degrees. Sides AB and AC. AB and AC. This is AB, this is AC. Produced. Okay, this is the produced. This is AB produced to some. Here you can take this value is P and AC produced up to Q. Okay. Okay, now AC produced up to Q. Okay, next sides. If Z is the measure of angle between the bisectors. Okay, BO is the bisector of angle P and CY is the bisector of angle BCQ. BO is the bisector of angle PBC and OC is the bisector of angle BCQ. Bisector means this angle divided into two equal parts. So this angle is equal to X, this angle is equal to also X is given. And this is the bisector being. OC is the bisector line. So bisector line this angle divided into two equal parts. So this angle is equal to Y, this angle also Y. That value is given. Okay, na? Find this angle is equal to Z. Have to find Z value. Okay, na students? Okay. First of all, so write the data. Given that okay, given that in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 50 degrees, angle C is equal to 70 degrees. Okay, na? AB produced up to P. Okay, na? Next, AC produced up to Q. Okay. Next, BO is the bisector of angle PBC. Okay, na? Angle PBC. So here angle PBO is equal to angle CBO is equal to X degrees. Next, OC is the bisector of angle BCQ. Therefore, angle BCO is equal to angle QCO is equal to Y degrees. Okay, na? Okay, students. This is the BO is a bisector line. This divided into two equal parts. This is x degree. This is also x degree. OS is a bisector angle. So this is x. This is y. This is also y. Okay. Okay, students. Okay now. Okay, students. Next, see here this diagram. ABP. This straight angle. This straight angle. Straight angle is equal to 180 degrees now. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, angle ABP is a straight angle. Straight angle. Angle ABC plus angle CBO plus angle PBO is equal to 180 degrees. So this angle is equal to what value? 50 degrees plus this angle is equal to CBO x degrees plus this angle is equal also x degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees plus 2x degrees, this value 50 degree take that side, 2x degrees is equal to x is equal to 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. So 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 180 minus 50, 130 degrees. So x is equal to this one how many times? 65 times. 65 degrees. X is equal to 65 degrees. Okay, next one, this is the x value came. And next, ACQ is also a straight angle. Therefore, angle ACQ is a straight line. Straight angle. So this straight angle is equal to 180 or not? That's 180. Angle ACB plus angle BCO plus angle QCO is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now here this angle ACB is equal to 70 degrees plus next angle BCO is equal to y degrees plus angle QCY is equal to also y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This 70 degrees aside, y plus y 2y degrees is equal to 180 minus 70 degrees. What is the value of 180 minus 70? 2y is equal to 110 degrees. 2 how many times? 55. Therefore, y is equal to 55 degrees. So x is equal to 65 degrees, y is equal to 55 degrees. Okay, na? Okay, na, students? Okay. This angle came and this also came. Fine. Z value kadamma. Okay. See. Okay, na? This value is okay. Out of this values. Okay, next students, see in triangle BOC. In triangle BOC. In triangle BOC. So angle OBC plus angle BCO plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees or not? Sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So angle OBC plus angle BCO plus angle OBC plus angle BCO plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees. Angle OBC is equal to that is x plus angle BCY is equal to angle BCY is equal to y plus angle BOC is equal to z, that is equal to 180 degrees. What is the value of x? X is equal to 65 degrees plus what is the value of y? Y is equal to 55 degrees plus z is equal to 180 degrees. 65 degrees plus 55 degrees, what is the value? 110 degrees. So 120 degrees. Okay, that is 120 degrees plus z is equal to 180 degrees. So z is equal to 180 degrees. This one plus 180 degrees side minus 120 degrees. So z is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore z is equal to what the value? Z is equal to 60. Next students, 13th problem. 13th one. In the given figure, if PQ perpendicular to PS, PQ parallel to SR, angle SQR is equal to 20 degrees and angle QRT is equal to 65 degrees. Then find the value of X and Y. And draw the first one diagram. PQRS, this is PQRS, PQRS, this angle, this is X, this is Y, this is 28 degrees is given, and this angle is equal to 65 degrees is given. Okay, na? This is 90. Okay, now see here. PQ is perpendicular to PS and PQ is parallel to SR. PQ is parallel to SR. Angle SQR is equal to 20 degrees and this is TN. Angle QRT is equal to 65 degrees. You can find the value of X and Y. These students, here what is the given data? Given that what is the given data? PQ is perpendicular to PS. PQ is perpendicular to PS and PQ parallel to SR. PQ is parallel to SR. Next, angle SQR is equal to 28 degrees and angle QRT is equal to 65 degrees. Okay, na? And angle PQS is equal to X, angle PSQ is equal to Y. See students, here PQ is parallel to SR or ST. PQ is parallel to ST means this is the transversal or not? QR is a transversal or not? Yes, QR is a transversal. See here, PQ parallels to ST. Okay, and QR is transversal. Transversal means these two lines are parallel lines. Alternate interior angles are equal or not? Alternate interior angles are equal. So angle PQR is equal to angle QRT. Okay, angle PQR is equal to angle QRT. Angle PQR means angle PQS plus angle SQR or not? Yes. Angle PQS plus angle SQR is equal to, this angle is equal to 65 degrees. What is the angle? PQS is equal to X degrees plus this angle is equal to 28 degrees. That is equal to 65 degrees. Therefore, X is equal to 65 degrees minus 28 degrees. X is equal to 65 degrees minus 25 degrees. X is equal to the value 37 degrees or not? 37 degrees or not? Okay, x equal to 37 degrees. Next, x value. Next, what about this value? How to get this value? See, this is already 90 in triangle PQS. This is a triangle or not? PQS is a triangle. Sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So one of the angles is equal to 90. So remaining these two angles is equal to 90 or not? Okay, remaining these two angles is equal to 90. Okay, now in triangle PQS, angle P is equal to 90 degrees. Remaining sum of these two angles is equal to 90 or not? Yes, sum of the two angles is equal to 90. Angle x plus angle y is equal to 90 degrees. Here what is the value of x? X is equal to 37 degrees plus y is equal to 90 degrees. Y is equal to 90 degrees minus 37 degrees. Y is equal to what is the value? What is the value of y? 53 degrees or not? 53 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 37 degrees, y is equal to 53 degrees. You can write sum of these three angles is equal to this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 90. You can write no problem. But you can write 180 is equal to 180. Okay? Okay? That's the angle x and angle y. Okay, so next problem, 16th one. In the Asian figure, I will draw the first of all figures. This is A, B, C. This is D, this is E. Okay, here this angle is equal to 45 degrees. This angle is equal to 40 degrees. This angle is equal to 36 degrees. These friends. In the Asian figure, is given that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC is given. AB is equal to AC is given. Angle BAC is equal to 36 degrees, and angle ADB is equal to 45 degrees is given, and angle AEC is equal to 40 degrees is given. Find first one. Angle ABC. Find angle ABC. Okay. Next, the second one is angle ACB. Third one is angle DAB. Next, fourth one is angle EAC. Okay, students, write the given data you. I will explain this problem. See, angle ABC is equal to, here angle ABC. AB is equal to AC is given. That means these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Base angles are equal or not? So this angle is equal to this angle or not? So this angle is equal to x. This angle also x. So sum of these three angles is equal to 180 or not? Angle A plus angle B, ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A is equal to what is the value? Here you can, this one also you can write angle BAC also can write, no problem. 36 degrees plus x degrees plus x degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. So 2x degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 180 degrees minus what is value? 36 degrees. So 2x is equal to what is the value? 180 minus 36. What is the value? 144 degrees or not? 144 degrees. So this was how many? 72 times. X is equal to 72 degrees. 72 degrees. Okay, this value is equal to 72 degrees. Okay, now this angle is equal to 70 degrees. This angle in triangle ADB. This angle is equal to external angle or not? In triangle ADB. Okay, ADB. Here ABC is a exterior angle. This is exterior angle. This exterior angle is sum of opposite rectangles equal or not? So this angle you can take y. Okay, this is exterior angle. Exterior angle. So 45 degrees plus y is equal to x degrees. X degrees means what is the value of x? 45 degrees plus y is equal to 72 degrees. Y is equal to 72 degrees minus 45 degrees. Y is equal to what is the value? The value of y value? What is the value, mama? This is 7 to 27 degrees or not? Yes, so 27 degrees. In triangle ACE, here angle ACB is exterior angle. Exterior angle. So this exterior angle is equal to angle ACB is equal to angle CAE plus angle AEC or not? Sum of opposite triangle is equal. So x is equal to 40 plus this also you can write z. Okay, x plus z. So x value is equal to what is the value? X is equal to 72 degrees is equal to 40 plus z. So 72 degrees minus 40 is equal to z. So z is equal to what is the value? Z is equal to 32 degrees. 30 degrees. So this value is 32 degrees, and that means angle AC, CAB, ACB. Here first of all ABC. What came? What the value of ABC? ABC is equal to what the value of? Okay, students. Here first of all ABC, angle ABC is equal to x, and x means this value. Completed or not? Next ACB, ACB. This one also x1 or not? This one is completed or not? Next this value angle DAB is equal to a value or not? This one also completed. Next ACE, this value ACE. Okay, now this value Z, that is also completed or not? Yes, completed. That's completed. Okay, students. Okay.